Hi everyone, welcome to the Upload Accounts tutorial. In this guide, we're going to walk through how to get your chart of accounts into the system. So basically, the first thing you're going to do is go to your Upload Accounts module, and you're going to follow the basic steps laid out in this module. So you're going to download the template first, copy the data into your template, and then upload the accounts. So let's go ahead, let's download the template. And I've already got a template here. So if I open the template, as you can see, it's a bare bones template, and basically you're going to enter the data in as well. Refer to your ticket for the sample entries as well. We have a template there that's been filled out with some sample data, just so you can see as a reference. There are some chart of accounts that come already set in the system. They come in all out of the box Xoro systems. So in order to find those ones, if you go to your chart of accounts module, assuming you already haven't uploaded any accounts into the system, you'll basically see the accounts that are already existing in the system. So based off this, you can enter any additional accounts that you will require. So let's go back to the upload accounts module. So basically what I would do with that template that I showed earlier, this one here, is you'd fill in the data. And once your data has been proofed and ready to go, you can upload the accounts into the system. So I've already got a template filled out for the sake of time. So I'm just going to select it here. And then I'm going to click on verify and upload. And before actually I do that, I just want to mention this help actually that's available on this module. So if I click on this question mark here and go to how do I upload my chart of accounts, it's actually going to describe for you all the fields that are part of the template and what each one means and what kind of data goes into these fields as well. And there'll also be additional videos attached to this help article as well. So I'm just going to go click verify and upload. And basically I'm going to make sure that my chart of accounts looks good. And then I'm going to click on upload accounts. And it's going to give me an error. So I'm going to see what this error was for one of the accounts. Let's see what the error says. So it says a sales account already exists. So let's call it something else then. I'm actually just going to see in the chart of accounts. Let's have a look at my template here. So I'm going to see that looks like I have two sales accounts. That's why. So this one was incorrectly added. And so I'm just going to delete this and then click on save. And let's re-upload this chart of accounts again. So there are checks in place in the upload module that prevent you from inserting two accounts of the same name. If there's any invalid account types as well, just to keep that in mind. And let's go ahead, let's click upload accounts now. And you can see the chart of accounts have been uploaded into the system. You can have a look